Welcome to World Alert Updates. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Breaking news from Manila. In the vast Pacific, the Philippine Navy stands as our first line of defense. Their mission: guard our waters, protect our fishermen, and secure vital sea lanes. Today, the call for their empowerment is urgent. The seas are more contested than ever, and our sovereignty is tested daily. Bravery alone can't counter the advanced threats of the 21st century. Our sailors need modern tools to do their jobs safely and effectively. Headlines warn of foreign vessels encroaching on our exclusive economic zone and harassing local fishing communities. These are direct challenges to our national integrity. The Navy is our shield, the embodiment of our resolve to remain free and sovereign. Letting their capabilities lag is an invitation to further aggression. This isn't about seeking conflict, it's about credible defense. We must send a clear message. The Philippines will protect what is rightfully ours. Our geography is both a blessing and a challenge, with a long coastline that's hard to patrol. Without a modern fleet, our maritime borders are vulnerable. The Navy deserves ships that match their courage, vessels that can stay at sea longer, see farther, and respond faster. Investing in our Navy is investing in national peace and stability. Naval modernization is a national imperative, not just a military issue. The time for action is now. We must equip our guardians with next-generation vessels. The security of our waters and the honor of our flag depend on the choices we make today. The Philippine Navy's proud history is built on courage and ingenuity, but many ships are relics of a different era. Today's threats are faster, stealthier, and more technologically advanced. Pitting our aging fleet against modern warships and missiles is dangerous for our sailors. Modernization is not a choice, it's a necessity. Old patrol crafts lack the multi-role capabilities needed in today's complex maritime environment. A modern frigate is a floating command center, equipped with advanced radar, sonar, and missile systems. It can fight on the surface, beneath the waves, and in the air. Our current fleet struggles to provide this versatility. Modern ships adapt to any threat, ensuring our Navy is never outmatched. Outdated ships have limited sensors, unreliable engines, and obsolete weapons, real dangers for the crew. Modernization gives our people a fighting chance. It means replacing aging steel with smart technology. A modern fleet is a powerful deterrent, signaling that any hostile act will come at a high cost. This is the essence of credible defense, preventing conflict through strength. Investing in new frigates is not preparing for war. It's investing in lasting peace. A capable, modern naval force secures our future. The time to modernize is now. For the future of the Philippine Navy, we can look to Japan's Mogami-class frigate. This vessel is a leap into the future, automated, versatile, and efficient. Designed for a reduced crew, it uses advanced technology to maximize sustainability. Its stealthy design makes it hard to detect, giving it a crucial edge. The combat management system integrates all sensors for rapid, informed decisions. It's a true multi-mission platform: anti-submarine, anti-air, and surface combat. The Mogami class balances high-tech capability with practical design, ideal for the Philippines. Its mine countermeasure abilities are vital for securing our sea lanes. Adopting such a design would transform our Navy, moving us into the digital era. The Mogami class is a proven, cutting-edge solution for safeguarding our maritime domain. A modern Philippine Navy could become reality through partnership. Japan and Australia are emerging as key partners, not just to sell ships, but to build them here in Cebu. Imagine Filipino engineers working with Japanese and Australian experts, constructing advanced warships in our own shipyards. Cebu's strategic location and shipbuilding history make it the perfect site. Facilities like the former Hanjin shipyard, now run by Austal, show we have the foundation. Japan brings design and technology, Australia brings shipbuilding expertise, and the Philippines brings skilled workers and national will. This partnership upgrades our capabilities and builds independence. Cebu becomes a new hub of high-tech industry, spreading opportunity beyond the capital. This is more than military procurement. It's a strategic investment in our future. We're building ships, alliances, skills, and national pride. The dream of a Philippine-built frigate is within reach through international friendship. Building frigates in Cebu is about more than new ships. It's a catalyst for a national industrial revolution. Japanese and Australian experts would train a new generation of Filipino engineers and welders. These skills are a permanent national asset, boosting advanced manufacturing across the economy. The project creates thousands of high-quality, long-term jobs. Local suppliers and industries would thrive, stimulating growth throughout the Visayas. The ultimate goal: self-reliance. Building our own frigates breaks the cycle of dependency. We could maintain, repair, and eventually design our own ships. This is true national security, defending ourselves with tools built by Filipino hands. Imagine the first Cebu-built frigate launched with the Philippine flag raised high. It would prove Filipino craftsmanship is world-class and inspire future generations. This is about building national confidence and showing the world our capability. The pathway to independence starts here. Cebu-built frigates would serve as sentinels of the West Philippine Sea. This area is our exclusive economic zone, rich in resources and vital for our future. Our sovereignty here is constantly challenged. A modern frigate changes the dynamic, showing our resolve to protect what's ours. These ships enable sustained patrols, even in harsh conditions, with advanced sensors to monitor wide areas. Their presence deters illegal fishing and harassment, enforcing our laws at sea. Multi-role capabilities let them protect fishing fleets, secure oil platforms, and conduct rescues. In tense situations, they provide credible options, shadowing foreign vessels and gathering intelligence. These ships uphold international law and the 2016 arbitral ruling. They enforce our rights peacefully, through a steady naval presence. Protecting the West Philippine Sea is about securing our future. New frigates strengthen our defenses and make us a more valuable ally. Security today is a team effort. Modern ships let us join joint exercises with the US, Japan, Australia, and ASEAN partners. Interoperable systems mean we can share information and act as a unified force in crises. A modern Philippine frigate is a regional security asset, giving us a stronger diplomatic voice. Our stance on freedom of navigation and rule of law will carry more weight. These ships transform us from security consumer to provider. The partnership with Japan and Australia is a powerful diplomatic statement. The frigates are floating symbols of our alliances and shared commitment to peace. This frigate project is a nation-building endeavor. Revitalizing Cebu's shipyard creates a new center of industrial excellence outside the capital. It becomes a campus for innovation, attracting investment and creating a defense industrial ecosystem. Local universities will develop new engineering programs, and SMEs will supply components and services. The shipyard plants the seeds for a self-sustaining industrial hub, with potential for exports. This project unites the nation behind a common goal: security, opportunity, and Filipino ingenuity. Seeing a warship built by Filipino hands is a source of immense pride. It challenges the old narrative of dependency and builds a stronger national identity. Investing in these frigates is investing in the Philippines itself: jobs, infrastructure, and pride. The Cebu shipyard can be a shining example of public-private partnership for national progress. The path forward is clear: vision, unity, and belief in our potential. Building next-generation frigates in Cebu with Japan and Australia is achievable. It requires political will, investment, and national commitment. Let's rally behind this vision and support bold decisions to fund and launch the project. This is for all Filipinos, securing our seas, protecting resources, and building opportunity. Imagine the day the BRP Cebu slides into the Mactan Channel built by Filipino hands. This is the future we can build together. Craftsmanship and determination as our security's foundation. Let's unite as one nation for a strong, secure, and sovereign Philippines. The guardians of our seas are calling for our support. Let's answer with action, building our own ships, securing our waters, and forging our destiny.